Robert Lunt with Realty One Group Skyline, coming to you from Crosswind Ranch in Parrish, Florida. And check out my other videos. Make sure this is my third part of the Crosswind Ranch. I know we already talked about this, but the models are open now, so I wanted to bring you this live footage exclusive as soon as I could. So I'm here with Lena. She's with West Bay Homes. She's in sales. How you doing today, Lena?
Hi, how are you?
Excellent. Lena just actually started, and she just finished. She's ready to hit the floor and sell some homes. She was a long time veteran with David Weekley before, and I know her from over there. She's a great person, does a lot of great sales, and takes care of her clients very well. They've all been very happy with her. So yeah, guys, we're standing here in the Isla Mirada 2 model. Okay, now West Bay Homes, just so you know, are offering some quick move-ins. They're building these things like super fast. As you can see through this community, as we're droning through, look at all these homes that are already completed and all these people that are already living here. They are not playing around. West Bay is one of the top builders in the nation, guys, and they do have a sister company called Casa Fresca, which I already went through, which is more of an entry level, quick move and everything included. This is more of a luxury builder where you get all the nice fixings and all the high ceilings, all the super finish. You go to the Design by You Center and you have like a feng shui meeting, and they kind of give you a full experience to where you can make your house look like a designer, professional home, and it's super nice. Everybody loves these. They hold their value very well, and they have wide lots, options for swimming pools in the back where you can get all kinds of water features. A lot of the lots are on the water, on preserve lots. Crosswind Ranch is going to have an awesome clubhouse, which will not be ready for almost 2 years, but right now the Crosswind Point Clubhouse, you can use their pool right now. If you want to use the public pool or the community pool, you can use that, or you can build your own pool, and I can hook you up with some pool builders if you'd like. Once again, guys, my contact information is 941-879-4730. You can check out all my community tours on my channel, and you can also go to robertlunt.com and you can search all new construction inventory and get to know more about me as well. Lena would love to come and help you out if you want to make an appointment with her and me as well, so please give us a call. But right now I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the Isla Mirada 2. This is a 5-bedroom, 4-bathroom home, 3144 square feet, 3,144 square feet. Used very well. The use of space in this model is amazing, especially with the high ceilings. It feels like a 4,000 square foot home. You have split bedrooms everywhere and offices. Nothing is crammed together. Very spacious. It's a very wide footprint, I would say. And what are the size lots?
It's a 65-foot lot.
65-foot wide lots.
And we do have some cul-de-sac options as well, which will give you a little bit more space between you and the neighbors, which a lot of people like.
Is there going to be, 2,000 homes?
There's going to be quite a few. There's not a set number yet because it's going to be released in the phases. We're in the phase now 1. We're almost sold out, so we do have
only about a 10th.
Limited opportunities right now. So if someone would be interested in being one of the first homeowners being in the phase 1, that's a great time. And we do have some special incentives available, so if you're interested, feel free to reach out and we'll give you more information on that.
The prices have not been going down, especially when a community is new. They've only sold a 10th of the inventory, and prices just go up from there, guys. Like, the next sale is usually a little bit more. They don't like to really discount the pricing. They would rather give you more incentives to help you buy down the interest rate, or to pay off your closing costs, or maybe help you with some design upgrades. So as you can see, guys, this model is amazing, fully upgraded. Look at these quartz countertops. extra tall cabinets. I don't know, Lena, did you want to speak about what you know about this model a little
Well,
bit?
this model has the top of the line West Bay options, and if you would be building with us, you could select those options in the design studio, which is brand new and was just recently opened. And for the quick moving homes, we already pre-selected all the options for you to make it easy. So the price that we have in our quick moving homes would be pretty much including all the options and upgrades. It would might be different from what you see in the model, but all of them will look really gorgeous. And this home features a lot of space for entertainment. It has the bonus room upstairs if you like to have that extra privacy setting, and it has a bedroom as well upstairs. And the master is downstairs. I know it's a very big priority for a lot of folks. So it's mainly ranged with the bonus room upstairs. So we do feature a pool just to kind of give you an idea of what you can do, and we can build a pool for you.
You could put a kitchenette in that bonus room upstairs. Do they have that option?
If they build, there is some options. Yes,
Okay,
it's
if you build,
inventory.
you
It
can do
just
a
depends on
kitchenette,
what's.
make it like a little bit of an in-law suite or a little, guest area. They also have the 3-car garage. Most of your West Bay homes come with 3-car garage options, so that will never be off the table. I know that's very important because having a nice big house with a little 2-car garage it can be frustrating, and a lot of builders do that. But they have the width on their lots here to get the 3-car garage, and you're not cutting any corners when you're buying with West Bay, and they're high quality builder. Their customer satisfaction is one of the best in the nation, like I said, and all the people that I know that do business with them and even work with them as contractors are very happy with their reputation. So that is important, guys. And we're gonna just show you a little bit. I mean, there you're gonna have the swimming pools, you're gonna have walking trails everywhere, beautiful scenery. As you know, Florida is, if you're not familiar with our sunsets here and some of the settings, when you see these streets on these West Bays, they're like none of the other new construction communities in this radius. I mean, you're just like, wow, this is a nice neighborhood. It's just very nice, like kind of like almost like Del Webb. I would say even better than that. Prosperity Lakes has got some good stuff, but I would say West Bay and North River Ranch and West Bay and Crosswind Ranch are going to be your nicest, most luxurious type of neighborhoods in this northern area of Parrish, where all the new stuff is coming in, like the hospital, the SCF college. They're extending State Road 62, which this is basically right off of, and that's going to it's connecting right with Erie Road right now, which will take you right to all the schools. So if you're looking for easy access to Parrish Community High School, Parrish Charter Academy, Barbara Harvey Elementary, you're going to be able to get to those very quickly. The new Publix in North River Ranch, the new hospital that's coming in right there on the corner on the 301 in Moccasin Wallow, and then there's going to be another middle school, I think, planned in the future. Yeah, check out my school zone video, guys. If you're very curious about the school system, I just did an hour and 10-minute video in depth on the whole Parrish school system, from all the grades, all the zones, all the new infrastructure coming in, all the new schools planned, all the expansion plans for all the existing schools, so you can get an in-depth sight on what's going on in the school system, guys. So hope you enjoyed this video, and check out what we have to offer, guys. And don't forget to give me a call at 941-879-4730. Whenever you're ready, you can shoot me a call, shoot me a text. Go on robertlunt.com, or you can email me at lunteddie@gmail.com. That's LUNTEDDIE@gmail.com. Thank you for tuning in, guys. And right before we go, before I end this video, I'm just going to give you a quick run through of one of the inventory homes that Lena told me about that is ready. So we're going to go over there now, take about 5 minutes, and then we'll close out. All right, guys. We're here at the inventory homes. We're on the cul-de-sac. These are some of the inventory that is left. There's not a lot left, guys, in phase 1. They sold these things super fast. way faster than they thought. There might be a little bit of a pause but by the time phase 2 starts. Now, with these West Bay homes, as you can see on this cul-de-sac, now we're at the Mac Daddy. This is the top of the line. This is over 4,000 square feet, right? Now, they range all the way from 2,100 square feet all the way up to 4,218 square feet. This is called the Madeira 3, guys, and this is a 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath, right? This is available right now. As you can see, look at the grand entry, the profile of this home on the cul-de-sac, listed for $899,000, guys. So this is gonna be, once you see the inside of this house, you're gonna understand what I'm talking about. Let's check it out. I think Lena's in here right now. Hey, Lena. She's ready for us. All right. So here we go, guys. This is how you come right into the foyer. Look at this grand entry with the vaulted cathedral ceiling and the chandelier. You obviously can put any chandelier you want there. And come in, here is your bonus room, your office, your 1-car. This is your 1-car garage on this side, and 2-car garage on the other side. So it's split. It's a beautiful thing because you can stick all your junk on that side and have your cars over here. Which they're doing. Oh, actually, it's not here. It's around there. That was the closet. So then you're gonna go and there's another bonus room here, which you probably could use as a dining room. Probably a lot of people want a dining room table here. It's a good area to dine and just be separated if you have a party or if there's, people are entertaining over here and watching TV. This is gonna be where it comes off to your other bathroom here. This is a half bathroom. Under the stairs, you have a little dry bar, and your 2-car garage is here. Found it. So here's your 2-car garage. And then this is gonna, as you can see right through here, is your open kitchen, guys. This is like gourmet kitchen because you have basically an adult size bar and a kid size bar or a table. You can use this as a dining table. So already built in, guys. You don't even have to bring a table here. You have huge pantry right here. Good size. The glass door. It's gonna have your stainless steel, your gourmet kitchen features here. It's got your convection oven, your regular oven. At the bottom, actually, is this a microwave as well? Microwave, okay, microwave.
And the gas stove.
And the gas stove. So on top of that, as well as this is level 1 quartz, guys. This is the top of the line quartz. As you know, it's very expensive stuff. Does the refrigerator come in this one as well? No refrigerator. Okay, so you pick out your own refrigerator, which I'm sure you're gonna want the one that tells you that orders your food for you, and your smart refrigerator. You're gonna have this is called what do they call these things here? Like farmer sink? Yeah, the farm sink. And so, yeah, guys, beautiful model, high ceilings, lake view over on the right. This one does back up to 62, but this lot, because it's on the cul-de-sac, it's a little bit of an oversized lot, and it's like wider on the sides, and you have plenty of room for a pool. So if you want to do some really nice landscaping and just kind of block out the road, because you will have salt meadows right across the street, guys. But like I said, there's not a lot of inventory left. So if you want one of these homes in this phase before pricing and rates and everything goes up even more, with what we're seeing in the market, guys, then this might be a good opportunity for you. Go upstairs, check out the loft, check out the master, check out this beautiful layout with the balcony. Huge loft. That's a huge balcony. Wow. It does have a nice view of that lake over there off the side of the balcony. This is like a Jack and Jill type room. Yep. So yeah, this would be your children's room. So they'll have a Jack and Jill bathroom.